big page, I thought he needed something like that. And then on here, I want to do like an accordion folder. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well. Just want to take 2 seconds of your time to say massive thank you to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel. Honestly, you ladies and men, not many, but it's few, are awesome. So thank you, honestly, for your love and support. It means a lot to me. Right, today I want to showcase my design team project for January using Happiness in Craft by Gi Kerr digital kit. So for this month, I have picked the collage paper number 3. So on this file, you get 7 pages, A4 pages, so proper full-on pages with collage backing paper. So they are your own starting point for your project. What I've done, I have printed them off front and back because I'm going to do a couple of projects showcasing those papers, but I need them to be front and back. So I'm just going to quickly zoom in and I'll show you. So this is one, and that is the second one. Again, you can print it one side, like on one side if you wanted to, but I just needed to be double-sided. So I love this with a map. And then this one, got all different ephemeras, got musing sheet, this with some receipts and ledgers. Love that. This is quite like a dirty paint page, really nice. And then the last one is this one. So as you can see, they're quite the same sort of color scheme, quite like vintage brownish with a bit of accents of red. So I really like those papers. So today, guys, I want to share with you how I made this little pocket that is going to go on my journal, and I'll show you when we finish it what it looks like. I have used this element here and the butterfly from another Gi kit, which is by far my favorite one, and is the pink butterfly collection. Again, I will link both of the kits down below, so take you straight to the Gi's Etsy shop, so you can just buy it. So I use this element and one of the medium butterfly. So let me show you what I made it. So it's fairly simple, but now you know I'm rubbish in explaining things, so watch rather than listen. So what I did, so fold this in half, just like that. Just score it. Then on one side, you want to create a triangle, so you just simply fold one of the side in. You just want to try to be as precise as possible towards the end there, so to create like a sharp end there. Yeah, then you open it and you do, so you've got a triangle that's like that. So we do exactly the same on the other side. So you've got a triangle that's folding in on your left, and then on this side we're doing exactly the same. So from this corner going upwards, just like that. Very simple. Okay, so when you fold it, you got a tuxedo that looks like that and that. Okay, and then what I did, guys, so you see you got the tuxedo. So imagine like this is the neck and that is the shirt. So we got to fold this panel and this panel inwards. So I'll not measure anything, just simply fold it. What I noticed, I don't know if Gi's aware of this, but this is an Italian company. It's called Magione Francesco. It's Fabbrica di Guanti, means is a oh god, factory that produce gloves. And then you got two, they had, I believe, two different warehouses, one in Milan in Via Porta Ludovica number 22, and one in Rome in Via Condotti's number 33. And it looks like there was one in New York as well. So yeah, G, you got something from an Italian place. So going back to our tuxedo, so now when you fold the other side, you want that to overlap here because we got to glue this down, okay, to keep it all together. So when you fold it there, just be a bit more generous so you get this sort of space here to put your glue or your double side tape, and I'll show you in just a second what I mean. So that's your front pocket. Yeah, on the back you see you got a tiny little space. So what I did, I use I'm very lazy today, very lazy, so I'm not using my best friend Mod Podge. I'm simply using double side tape because it's so much quicker. So just peel it off. You stay there and don't be noisy in the corner. So there, that's it. And then that goes in the bin, and that's what you get from now. Because when I did cut it, because the paper comes with a white border, this is how I print it. So I had to chop that, because when I cut, I'm never straight. So I got this little, but nothing much trouble. So I just chop it off. So, and this is your simple pocket, guys, simple as. So now what you can do, I did glue that down on this one here. Now you can leave it open so you get another pocket. So you get a pocket there, a pocket here, a pocket here, and then this will be a pocket, depends how you glue on your journal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little strip in here of double side tape. I love double-sided tape. I got some of these in the works. They used to do a pack of 5 for, or a pack of 3 or pack of 5, either for £1. They stopped there. I've been in several of the works and I can't find them. They said they're very popular, so they run out of stock. So guys, yeah, that's it. So you got pocket, and then what I simply did, I inked it really quickly. I just want to take the opportunity to say thank you for your lovely message in regards my double citizenship application. It's not done yet, so I have passed the test. It's called Life in UK test. It's like a very difficult test with like question on history, geography, math, general culture, it's quite, yeah, it's, you got 24 questions, you got to pass 75% of them. So I passed that, and now I've got to get a lots of documents, pull it on together, and then I got to scan everything. I had to buy a scanner to scan all these documents, and then I am in a process to send everything off. And there's a lot of documents because I have to prove my English knowledge. As you know, English is not my first language. I'm going to use this one. English is not my first language, of course, because I'm Italian. So I have to demonstrate my knowledge of English. So I have to pass a B2 English test. I must admit, guys, I found that extremely easy. But again, I've been in this country a long time. So for me to pass that English test, maybe somebody that's been in the country not as long as me might find that difficult, but they were just very simple questions. So I did not find that difficult. And then I had to, so I had to do that English test as well. And I did lots of documents like demonstrate how long I've been here, and you know, the tax I paid, how much money I get paid, and all that jazz. So a lot of document you need to get from these different people, and because it's COVID, everything and everybody's understaffed. So I really appreciate that. Need 2 referees. One is got to be in higher position of a society.